Hi kids, I have got a new story for you today. The Jungle Secret Talent Show. Once upon a time, in the middle of a thick green jungle, the animals were buzzing with excitement. The wise old owl had announced.
Tomorrow, we will have a grand talent show. Whoever shows the best talent will be crowned the star of the jungle.
After hearing this announcement, all the animals cheered. Each one thought they would win. The lion roared loudly, shaking the trees. I will win with my powerful roar. The monkey swung from branch to branch. Ha! I will win with my amazing flips and tricks. The elephant lifted a huge log with his trunk. No one can beat my strength. Even the tiny sparrow chirped, I may be small, but I'll sing the sweetest song. But there was one animal who stayed very quiet. Everyone laughed at him. Ha, what can you do, donkey? Bring hee haw, that's no talent. The donkey just smiled but said nothing. The next day, the jungle was decorated with colorful flowers. The animals gathered in excitement. One by one, they showed their talents. The lion roared so loud, leaves fell off the trees. The monkey spun in circles until he was dizzy. The elephant showed his strength by lifting a rock. The sparrow sang so sweetly, everyone clapped. Finally, it was the donkey's turn. Everyone giggled. This is going to be funny, whispered the hyena. But then something amazing happened. The donkey quietly walked to the middle and opened a big cloth bag. Inside were beautiful paintings of the jungle, colorful trees, animals, rivers, and even the night sky full of stars. Everyone gasped. Did you make these? Asked the owl. The donkey nodded shyly. Yes, I can't roar, sing, or swing, but I can paint. My brush is my voice. The jungle was silent for a moment and then thundered with cheers. The lion bowed, the monkey clapped, and the elephant trumpeted loudly. The owl announced. Donkey has shown us that every creature has a special gift. You don't have to be the loudest or the strongest. True talent comes from the heart. From that day on, the donkey was no longer laughed at. He became the jungle artist, and his paintings filled the animals with pride and joy. Moral of the story: everyone has a hidden talent. Never laugh at someone because they may surprise you with something amazing. If